Your headphones say connected. Then the music cuts out, the keyboard freezes, or the car drops the call. That does not always mean the accessory is broken. Bluetooth is a short radio link, and several different things must keep working at the same time. Find which link is failing, and most random disconnects become surprisingly predictable. Start with one distinction. Paired is not the same as actively connected. Pairing stores an identity and a security key so two devices remember each other. A live connection still has to be negotiated every time. Your phone can remember the headphones perfectly while the current radio link, audio route, or software session has already failed. That is why forget and pair again sometimes works, but it should not be your first move. The first test is physical. Bluetooth power is deliberately low so distance, walls, metal, and even your body can weaken the path. A phone in a back pocket may force the signal through your body to reach the opposite earbud. Put the source and accessory within 1 or 2 meters, keep them on the same side of your body, and remove metal cases or crowded bags from the path. If the dropouts stop, you found a range problem, not a software problem. Next, look at the air around you. Bluetooth shares the 2.4 GHz band with Wi-Fi and many other devices. In a busy office, apartment building, airport, or kitchen, packets can collide. Bluetooth is designed to move between channels and recover from lost packets, but a crowded band can still produce pauses, retries, or a complete reconnect. Full Wi-Fi bars do not make this impossible. The two radios may be competing in the same neighborhood. Use a controlled test. Play audio that is already downloaded, stand away from the router, and temporarily move your Wi-Fi connection to 5 or 6 GHz if your equipment supports it. Also move away from unshielded USB 3 devices and hubs, which Microsoft notes can interfere with nearby Bluetooth hardware. If local audio becomes stable, the accessory was not losing the song, it was losing clean radio time. Another common cause is a second device stealing the connection. Earbuds with Multipoint may be linked to a phone and laptop, while a tablet, watch, television, or car also remembers them. A notification, call, or wake event can switch the active source. Turn Bluetooth off on the other nearby devices for one test. If the problem disappears, remove unused pairings or adjust Multipoint and automatic switching settings in the Accessories app. Power matters on both ends. A nearly empty earbud, keyboard, controller, or phone may become unstable before it shuts down. Some computers also reduce radio activity in energy-saving modes. Charge both devices, disable battery or energy saver briefly, and test again. If that fixes it, re-enable power saving afterward and update the device or driver. The goal is diagnosis, not permanently wasting battery. Sometimes the link is alive but the wrong Bluetooth service is selected. Music, calls, keyboards, and hearing devices use different profiles. Android exposes separate media audio and phone audio controls for many accessories. Windows can also send sound to the wrong output. When the icon says connected but nothing works, verify the output device and the required media or call switch before rebuilding the pairing. Then check software. Restart the phone or computer and the accessory. Install the current operating system update, the accessory's firmware, and on Windows, the Bluetooth driver from Windows Update or the computer maker. Updates can fix compatibility problems, but changing everything at once hides the cause. Test after each step and stop when the connection becomes stable. Only now perform a clean repair. Forget the accessory on the source. Clear the old phone from the car or accessory if it stores its own device list. Restart both sides, and pair again with other remembered sources turned off. A full network settings reset is a last resort because it can remove saved Wi-Fi networks and every Bluetooth pairing. Do not erase that useful data before simpler tests fail. Finally, isolate the hardware. Test a second Bluetooth accessory with the same phone, then test the original accessory with a second phone or computer. If every accessory fails with one source, investigate that source. If one accessory fails everywhere, investigate its battery, firmware, or hardware. The order is simple: distance, interference, other devices, power, audio route, software, then pairing. Follow the evidence and Bluetooth stops feeling random. Subscribe to Everyday Tech Explained for clear, original answers to the technology problems you use every day.